Good afternoon, guys. I wanted to do a quick walk around video and get some daylight shots. It is sprinkling a tiny bit, but hopefully real light photographs will help you understand how nice this car is, guys. This is a European market 96 Defender 90 that has been recreated for the American market by the Transatlantic Trading Company. A fantastic maker of these. I don't know if you want to call them restorers because they go so much beyond. Guys, this is what this car would be if it was actually made by the factory. It feels and looks and smells and behaves exactly like a brand new car that was built by Land Rover. I'm shocked at how beautiful this car is. We see a lot of these from different companies that are making these and customizing them, and never do they feel as real as this one does. It's just gorgeous. Diesel motor, automatic, left-hand drive, and every detail is just right. The doors close right. The hinges are perfect. Nothing was overlooked. From every single surface of this car is just like if it was made by Land Rover in Europe. The paint, the undercarriage, please look at those pictures, but so many of these details that get overlooked on many of these are right with this one. I couldn't love it anymore. It's just exactly how I would have them build one if I could have one. And I want one, trust me. Check out the back too. I love the side seats that you get in these wagons. Room for 4 back here, another 2 up front. The windows, corner windows. I mean, everything about this is so nice. So I'll snap some pictures out here too for you guys and add them to the auction as well. But rest assured, it's a stunning vehicle and someone's gonna be super excited when they see it. Thanks, guys.